Hello everybody, this is Toshi Yagi from beautiful little island Okinawa, Japan. Well, this is my today's subject. August, I made this image, but I was not satisfied, so I want to change the background. And I'm going to explain to you what do we have now. This photograph which I shot several years ago. I'm going to turn this one down. Then I made this watercolor image last time in August. Okay, I draw this body. I'm going to turn this one off now. Then I draw this corsage. Then now I turn this one off for face. Now I got this only line, pencil drawing line image now. Okay, turn on this watercolor image last time I made, then this corsage and the shirt, colorful shirt. Then next one is jacket, body, which I made last time. Then I add, made a mask. Okay, opacity up, go up. This is combined to the photograph. Now, what I want to change is this background today. I want to change this, so I'm gonna delete this one. Just leave it. I'm gonna delete last time. Okay, then I had this shadow image. Okay, opacity down. I'm gonna opacity this one down too. Now I'm gonna change. Touch up this background mask density. Okay, now let's start from here. All the others, just leave it that way. Okay, I'm going to change this, cut mask. Now, I'm going to create empty mask, then invert mask. Start from reveal this image. Wet brush 1 to reveal this first. Now it's 100%. I'm going to start to reveal. We're almost down for model. Okay. Now, I'm down for blend into photograph, base image. Now I'm going to add these two images what I made the last time, the background. I'm going to take this one off, delete, clear this, clear layer for background. And also this one is same. This is the one. 4, I painted on this model's shadow. That's very interesting. So I painted on that background shadow. So I'm gonna make this one again on this. So now I'm gonna clear this layer. Okay. Then I'm gonna opacity down to show this, see this shadow, and I'm gonna add on this layer base. Okay, let's get started. Get the watercolor brush, then watercolor round detail to paint it on this shadow side, which is real dark blue. And the size a little bit small, lots of water. This is the starting point. Now let's get started on this layer. This is interesting, really, this shape, I like it. Then I'm gonna change the brush to watercolor wash flat. I'm going to change the brush to watercolor wash soft. Lots of water, big, this cloud image. Then more water, change the brush to wash soft. Size is pretty big. I'm going to make a softer cloud look on the outside. Okay, now I'm going to add this layer. This is the background. Okay, now mask density. Let me dry layer, and I just want to see what happened. Watercolor 100% white, what it looks like. Make it a little smaller. Okay, a little bit that way. Okay, now I'm going to change the layer on this. I may like it this way. Now I'm gonna go to different color background here. Let's see, change the brush to watercolor round detail. Then, okay, I'm gonna check the color with this kind of mixed up all the colorful background here. Okay, let's check that orange, yellow on this. Okay, then I'm gonna choose some green, dark green. Change the brush to watercolor wash flat. Now I'm going to change to wash soft, then pick up some reddish color, pretty big size. Yeah, let's try this. just touch more dark red. I kind of like this. Well, I'm gonna add behind. I guess that's it. Yeah, I like this a lot much better than last time. And I'm gonna make it darker here. Okay, mask density. I'm gonna choose here to add some. Change the brush to wet brush 1 and reveal on here. Make it a little bit darker. Okay, this is fine. Well, I guess it's, yeah, I like this. Thank you for watching my video, and I hope this video is gonna give you some kind of idea to fix the image. I really appreciate you support me for watching this video, and you guys have a nice day and see you next time. Thank you now. Bye. Ciao.